Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change audio input volume on Oculus Rift S. To do it, go into settings, which are on the bottom bar here, as you can see. Then go to headset, and now in headset you can see audio in, audio input. You can change the source here, and here you can change the volume. You can either click here or here to mute it. These two buttons will do the same thing, or you can adjust the volume level with this bar by pressing and holding on the trigger on your controller, then sliding it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.